Hi children, fourth class maths, page number 87, fourth Roman, A and B completed. A and B completed. Okay, fourth Roman is write the following numbers in ascending order. Write the following numbers in ascending order. Okay, ascending order means small number to big number. Ascending order means small number to big number. Already you have learned. In the previous class also you have learned. So here C is fourth Roman. See here C. C. Now 8 lakh 49,313, 8 lakh 49,972, 8 lakh 49,199, 8 lakh 49,641. First of all, right here asking ascending order. Ascending order. Ascending order. Ascending order. Ascending order means small number to big number. Here, which is the small number in these four numbers we don't know. Just count the digits first of all. Once count the digits. Here, all are having 6 digits. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. All are of 6 digits. All are of 6 digits. So here highest place value is lakhs place. Ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000, lakhs. So highest place value is lakhs. Highest place value is lakhs. So compare the highest place values in these four numbers. Okay. In these four numbers, highest place value is lakhs place is 8, 8, 8, 8. All are same. All are same. So what to do? Yes. To compare the numbers, we move to next place to compare the numbers. We move to next place. Next place is, that means 10,000 place. 10,000 place. 10,000 place is 10,000 place is 4, 4, 4, 4. 10,000 place is given for all numbers same. That means 4. So all numbers same. So we move to next place. Again we move to next place to compare the numbers. That means thousands place. We move to thousands place to compare the numbers. To compare the numbers. Here, thousand places are here. Thousand places are 9, 9, 9, 9. Here also same. What? Here also same. So what to do? Yes. Again we move to next place to compare the number. That means 100 place. We move to 100 place to compare the numbers. 100 places are here 3, here 9, here 1, here 6. 3, 9, 1 and 6. Yes, we know that 1 is the small number than remaining numbers. Than remaining numbers. So 1 means this is 8,49,199. This is the small number. This is the small number. Okay. Next one. Next one is remaining all digits are same. So next one is 3 the small number. After 1, 3. Remaining all digits. 3 the small number, then remaining all digits. So 3 means yes 8,49,313. 313. 8,49,313. Here 1 clear, 3 also clear. Next one 9 and 6. 9 and 6. We know that 6 is the small number than 9. 6 is the small number than 9. Yeah, 6 is, this is 8,49,641. 641. Finally, 9. 8,49,972. 972. This is the last number. Okay. Ascending order is equal to small number to big number. Ascending order means small number to big number. See here once, all of you. Here, this is the small number. Here all is same. Here also 10,000 also same. 1,000 also same. So 100 places are 1 small number, 3. Next one increasing order. This is ascending order means increasing order. Small number to big number. So 1, 3, 6 and 9. Understand? Okay. Next one is Listen careful, all of you. Listen careful, all of you. Here, asking in ascending order. Ascending order means small number to big number. We know that. First of all, which is the small number we don't know. Count the digits. Count the digits. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. In 5 digits, this is 6 digit. 1, 2, 3, 4. This is 4 digits. Okay. 4 digits, 6 digits, 5 digits, 5 digits. We know that least digits, that means 4 digit number is the smallest number than remaining numbers, because we are having 4 digits only, remaining are big numbers. So 3972. This is the smallest number. Smallest number. Okay. Next one is here 5 digits, 6 digits. In these two numbers, 5 digits, 5 digits. So compare the numbers. First of all, highest place value is ones, tens, hundreds, thousand, 10,000s. Here also ones, tens, hundreds, thousand, 10,000s. 10,000, 10,000. So the highest place value is here 6, here 8. Here 6, here 8. Highest place value is 6. We know that 6 is a small number than 8. So this is the next number. Second number is 65,466. 65,466. Yes. Next number is 87,999, because this is the third number. Because here this number have 5 digits, this is 6 digits, this is 6 digits. So 5 digits, 6 digits. We know that 5 digits is the smallest number than 6 digit number. So third number is 87,999. 87,999. Finally, fourth number is 4,36,792. 4,36,792. Okay, what we have learned today? Ascending order, C and D. Ascending order. Ascending order means small number to big number. Small number to big number. So C is here lakhs place, 10,000 place, and 1,000 place also. Same for all given numbers. So we are moving next place to compare the numbers. That means 100 place. 100 places are 3, 9, 1, 9, 1, 6. We know that 1 is a small number than remaining digits, remaining numbers. So first number is 8,49,199. Next number is 100 places are 693. Yes, we know that 3 is a small number. We know that 3 is a small number. Then remaining two digits 9 and 6. Second number is 8,49,313. Okay. Next one is 6 and 9. 6 is the small number. 6 is the small number than 9. So third number is 8,49,641. 641. Finally, this is 8,49,972. Ascending order means increasing order. Ascending order means increasing order. So small number to big number. Small number to big number. Next D is 65,466. 65,466. 87,999. 4,36,792. 3,972. Here ascending order or increasing order is equal to, here count the digits. These are all count the digits. First of all, this is 4 digits, remaining all are of. This is 6 digits, remaining two numbers are of 5 digits. So we know that 4 digit number is the smallest number than 3 numbers, remaining 3 numbers. Next one is, next 3 numbers are 65,466, 87,999, 4,36,792. In these 3 numbers, two numbers are of 5 digits. Third number is 6 digits. So in these two numbers, highest place value is here 10,000 place value is here 6, here 8. Yes, we know that 6 is a small number than 8. So second number is 65,466. Next one 87,999, because this number have 5 digits, this number have 6 digits. We know that 5 digits number is the smallest number than 6 digit number. So third number is 87,999. Finally, fourth number is 4,36,792. Are you understand? Okay, copy this is. Okay, thank you.